It never fails. Anytime that I want to do something, that something is always messed up. Today's example, went to wash the truck because you know it's nice out, November 24th. It's almost 70 degrees. I thought, hey, it's a beautiful fall day here in Texas. Why don't I just wash my truck? Nope. Pulled the hose out, got the stuff out, the soap, the brush, the wash rag, the bucket. Went around to turn the faucet on, and water started coming out of places that water's not supposed to come out of. Let me show you. So right here, that's where the old faucet was. We've already removed it because it had a crack in it. But water was coming out from behind the flange where it mounts against the brick. And then also this vent right here, water was just pouring out. Not supposed to come out of there either. Okay, so you can see we already pulled the old faucet out. I've already gone to Home Depot and got the replacement parts. Hopefully this is just put some Teflon tape on it, screw it back in, turn the water back on, and we're good to go. Said no one ever if I'm involved. All right, so new valve, old valve. I'm gonna put some Teflon tape on the threads, screw it back into the wall, and then hopefully we don't have any leaks and we should be good to go. But let me show you the old one so you can see where it cracked. If you look right there, that's where it busted from freezing. So note to self, put the hose bibs on your outdoor faucets to at least prevent that from happening to you, because it's never fun. So we're gonna get this thing going, move on to the next project. This is not working out how I planned. Get that there. All right, so now let's get this thing threaded in. Okay, so we have the Teflon tape threaded on to the fitting. We're just going to thread it into the fitting inside the brick wall and hope for the best, meaning hopefully it doesn't leak. So I'm gonna go turn the water on and it works. Nothing coming out of here, which is a good sign. The only bad news is the one in the front still leaks, so we're probably gonna have to replace that one as well. Yeah, not good. Almost through. Let's see if we can break it free. This is what happened to the other ones, just like that. I don't know what the deal is with this one, but I replaced the little gasket in the center of it, and still leaks, so let's just put a new one in there and be done with it. Alright, so I have the new fitting with the Teflon on it. We're going to do the same thing as the other one. All right, let's go turn the water on and see what happens. Water's turned on, no dripping. Don't see any water leaking back there, so things are good. Problem solved. All right, so both water faucets have been repaired. It was actually a lot easier than I thought. I do have to give a shout out to my father-in-law who had the knowledge up here of how to do the repair. He just kind of walked me through it. Went to Home Depot, bought the stuff, came back, did it myself. So thanks to him for that. And yeah, problem solved. Now I can wash my truck. If you want to see more home repair videos, don't click on this channel. That's not what this channel is about. But if you learned something from it, leave a comment below, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.